across a silent land. Shadows stretch across the sand. Withered shapes from ages past, holding stories meant to last. Still they rest beneath the sky, guarding time as years drift by. Echoes rise where life once grew, whispers carried back to you. In the quiet where the old remains, memories carved in ancient grains. Hear the stillness calling through, signs of what once lived and grew. Golden winds trace every line, marking secrets left behind. Fragments of a distant day, frozen where they chose to stay. As the world keeps moving on, what is lost is never gone. In the desert's sacred air, you can feel the presence there. In the quiet where the old remains, memories carved in ancient graves. Hear the stillness calling through, signs of what once lived and grew. Time stands still.